Welcome back to Uptime.com and to our video on SSH checks. The Uptime.com SSH check is a basic check type with intervals ranging from 1 to 60 minutes, with a default of 5-minute intervals. Secure Shell is a set of rules and protocols for secure data communication, or remote shell services. Many servers provide the ability for remote login to a shell using this service. With Uptime.com's checks, you're provided information about the availability of this network protocol. To set up a new SSH check, navigate to Monitoring. Here, you can find a list of all of the checks currently in your account. Next, select Add Check to be taken to the setup page for your check. First, from the Check Type drop-down menu, select the check type SSH. Next, provide the basic settings for your check, such as a name, an interval at which you would like the check to monitor, any contacts that you would like to be alerted in case of a failure, any locations you would like your check to monitor from, and any tags to help organize and label your check. Next, head over to the domain or IP field and specify the SSH connection that you would like to monitor. Please ensure that you are only entering the domain or IP for your connection and not any specific users, such as the root user. Finally, you can specify which port you would like to monitor for an SSH connection. By default, if you do not specify a port, your check will automatically monitor port 22. However, if you have specified a non-standard port for your SSH connections, please enter the port number here. Once you are ready, click Save. It is important to note that any probe server or location that you have selected on your check will need to be whitelisted or otherwise allowed to connect to your domain or IP via SSH. All of Uptime.com's probe servers and their associated IP addresses can be found in your account by navigating to Probe Servers, Public Probe Servers. Being able to connect to a remote server can be detrimental to keeping your site or services running smoothly and securely. Uptime.com's SSH check can help ensure that you are always notified immediately and ensure a smooth and clear investigation into any issues you may encounter with your SSH connection. For more information, check out the rest of our video library or reach out to us directly at support@uptime.com. Thanks for watching.